Hey guys, happy Friday. It is a beautiful day today, and we are at Morehead City Middle School here in Morehead, off of Barber Road, talking about what's happening come Monday. Big day, guys, first day of school. So we're super excited. This week has been filled with orientations at the different schools, teacher lunches. I know I did a PTO lunch at this school, the middle school. And it's just been filled with football practices, volleyball, golf started up for the high school. So school is technically already kind of started in sports land, but our kids start back to school bright and early Monday morning. We're super excited about everybody starting back to school and going to football games and sports and everything else. So we hope y'all have a great fall, and good luck, everybody. Have a great weekend.